Welcome back, where this week you are joining us in Germany for one of the coolest car shows on the calendar. We're here at the old Simson site. This place has been derelict for over 20 years, but Tief Im Wald get to fill it up with some of the coolest cars and motorbikes. We're going to take a look around and show you what the event has to offer. Let's go.